Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the grammatical part of your exam. आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं that is editing. ये आपके कीबोर्ड में भी आपके हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम में भी आएगा ये, ठीक है ना? We are starting editing. What is the meaning of editing? In 10th class you were taught editing. Editing का मतलब क्या होता है? Editing means some words will not be edited from your paras or from your lines. It means in each and every line there will be a single mistake. हर लाइन में कोई ना कोई मिस्टेक होगा. It will not be edited and you have to find out the exact word, exact mistake and you have to make it correct. And after identifying the mistake, you have to make it correct. उस गलती को पहचान के आपको क्या करना है, उसे करेक्ट करना है. There are a number of rules for editing. For example, I am giving you some of the sentences. Atul was one of the bees who was born in the family 8 clerks, C-L-E-R-K-S. Third, he was talented. He was talented or disciplined. D, he always obeys, O-B-E-Y-S, his elders, E-L-D-E-R-S. Suppose these are 4 sentences. And do you know, first of all I will tell you what kind of mistake can be there. The mistake in the answers can be based on T-E-N-S-E, tense, P-R-E, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, preposition. Third, can be related to determinants, including articles. Fourth, can be modals. Modals can also be modals, tenses, preposition, determinants, modals, and one more thing, narrative or narration also. Narration, but narration is not compulsory here. We can write relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Like who, whose, whom, which. Relative pronoun which shows relations. In first question you can see Atul was one of the. Do you know this is rule of English according to SVC. SVC को आपको फोकस करना है. SVC का मतलब हो गया S means subject, V means verb, and C means conquered. Subject verb conquered SVC कहलाता है. और SVA भी नाम है इसका. SVA subject verb agreement. Okay. इसके अंदर देखिए फर्स्ट दिस इज रूल ऑफ इंग्लिश. आफ्टर वन ऑफ द वर्ड विच इज यूज्ड इज ऑलवेज प्लूरल. याद रखना वन ऑफ के बाद जो भी वर्ड यूज होगा वो हमेशा प्लूरल होगा. तो यहाँ बाइक से क्या होगा, बाइस होगा, इसलिए ये वर्ड हो गया. वन ऑफ के बाद आने वाला हर वर्ड प्लूरल होता है. सेकंड, who was born in the family, here preposition is wrong. In place of at there will be of. It shows the possession. ये उसका possession, उसका relation show कर रहा है. And for showing possession or relation we always use preposition of. He was talented or. Here all is wrong because these are two qualities and which are possessed by Atul. ये क्वालिटी दोनों ही possess कर रहा है. और तो ऑप्शन को शो करता है तो हमें दोनों लिखना है. We can write here A and D and a number of or as well as also and or as well as. Next, he always obeys. This is wrong because the starting line, all the lines are interconnected. They will be of same para. It means will be started from the same character. आप इसमें क्या देख रहे हैं? The starting line was in past. Starting line past में चल रही है. That's why the whole story will be in past, not in present. Obey is first form and the para was in past. That's why obey की जगह यहाँ पर होगा obeyed, obeyed. In this way the right answers were boys of here and or as well as and obeyed. Okay, I am giving you some more sentences. कुछ और सेंटेंस देता हूं. Yesterday I was suffering, suffering, suffering of fear, fever. That's why I was suggesting, suggesting by my father to consulted, to consulted a doctor, doctor. And last point, since his childhood I had great fear of doctor, doctor. Now look, what is first statement? Yesterday I was, everything is going on like properly. I के साथ was से apply होगा. Suffering ये भी सही है वैसे, continuous form में ing यूज होता है. Of fear, here we can see of. The right pronunciation not of, the right pronunciation is of. Or in place of of you can write our. The best pronunciation our. There are two of in English, O double F, OF and O double F. What is of? It shows possession. It is used in possessive case, and of when there is a separation. When there is a separation, we always use of. After suffer, we always use from. This is fixed preposition. ये fixed preposition है. Suffer के बाद हमेशा from का ही use होता है. That's why I was suggested by my father. Here I was trying to write suggesting. Sorry, I am making it correct. मैं correct कर रहा हूँ. That's why I was suggesting. इसको correct कर लेना. I was suggesting. यहाँ पर मान लीजिए suggesting है, तो आप क्या सोच रहे हैं कि was के साथ तो ing हम apply हो रहा है, तो suggesting सही है. लेकिन आप भूल गए यहाँ पर by भी है और ये sentence passive voice में है. by है मतलब passive voice में है, और passive voice में हमेशा verb का कौन सा form apply होगा? Third form. That's why the right answer will be suggested. The right answer will be suggested. 2. And most important rule, after 2 you always use verbs first form. So consulted is second form or third form also, but we will write consult, CONSULT. After 2 we always verbs first form. Since his, no story I से शुरू होती, तो I का possessive case आएगा, तो यहाँ his की जगह आ जाएगा my. ये आंसर. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ, देखिएगा अच्छी तरह से, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड और खुद सोल्व करें इसको. Fortune favor FAVOUR the brave. This proverb PROVERB is followed by many people who we are writing it which want to get success, SUCCESS, success. but some peoples are still there who does not believe, believe so. Now listen beta, here we are solving this first, second, third and fourth question. Fortune favor the brave. In हिंदी, भाग्य हमेशा बहादुरों का साथ देता है. दिस इज अ फेमस प्रोवर्ब. एक ये बहुत ही फेमस है प्रोवर्ब है, कहावत है, ठीक है ना. तो ये कहावत है, वो सिंगुलर है, ये प्लूरल नहीं है. To make it singular, you always use first form plus s or es. The right answer will be favors. Okay, favor नहीं होगा, favors होगा. Second, this proverb is followed by many people, which is wrong, because which is using with non-living or objects. Here with people is living being. It shows living being. That's why in place of which there must be who. यानी जो. Next, but some people's, this is also wrong, because people word itself is plural. People अपने आप में plural word है, उसमें हम s का use नहीं करते. That's why the wrong word is peoples and the right word is people. And last, who does not. In place of does there will be do, because it has been connected, it has been used for people. People is plural word, that's why there will be do, not does. First rule, after one of the word which is used is always plural. After do not, does not, did not, we always use verbs first form. After to also we use first form. And about fixed preposition, you have to read some of the books, and more about this topic I will send you a link. आपको link send कर दूंगा, because in your half yearly exam which is going to be conducted like next month, it is supposed you will be asked editing also. It has been given to you in your half yearly exams. That's why you have to go through this chapter. आपको ये topic ये पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, and I will send you some of the examples of editing. Thank you students.